Recording the sewer at 4003 West Armour. Dates January 19th. Looking at the Seattle City main. We're doing this from the clean out here on the south side of the home. City main coming back, 6-inch diameter clay line. We come back around a turn right there. I believe that's where the neighbor's sewer is tying into this line. It's pretty close to immediately right before the main, excuse me. Let's zero out our footage there. Start coming back through this line here. So back into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. Start getting some sand in the line as we get back closer here. And we jumped into 4-inch diameter pipe. I gotta go back and find where that transition was. That's 6. And that would appear to be 4. So here's our transition. Our transition bell. We're getting back into smaller diameter line there. I'm going to go locate this spot, pause the video briefly. Coming back into that 4-inch diameter line now. You've seen we've zeroed out the footage. And this must be the downspout connections from the front of the home, or from the other side of the home. We're going to again pause the video, go locate. Okay, we've got that located now. Going to zero out our footage again. Looks like we've got 23 feet of 4-inch to get back to this plastic I'm making this recording from. I'm going to pull out of the clean out here. Clean out there.